Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to answer a XENEA Wallet Daily Quiz as I used to provide it daily. If this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So let's claim our daily point here. Let's claim great job. We have been getting the 81 points, so let's go for it. Let's go for a quiz. Yeah. So the quiz of the day, which of the following is a sign of potential phishing attempt? An email asking for your private key, a wallet update notification from the official app, confirmation of a transaction made, a message about network maintenance. So the answer, without being saying much here, is number one. So let's click on claim. So congratulations, I've been getting the correct answer. So let's go for a mission because we have Yusufa. Let's claim our daily check-in, and then again we have extra. Great job. So here it is. If this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video.